Hi, it's Phil Needham with Needham Ag Technologies. If you're in the market for a flail mulcher or a mulcher for a mini excavator greater than around 10,000 pounds, especially if it's a conventional tail machine, not a zero tail swing machine, because they work better with heavier mulchers, we have two good solutions for you here. Both are built by the Lipa company in Italy, and Lipa has had 45 years of manufacturing experience in Italy in conjunction with the Willy Boulder company in Germany. So these are high quality, high performance units, a lot of high technologies, robot welders, laser cutters, electronic balancers. These are good quality machines. So to start out, this is the TLBE-SF 90. This has a working width of around 35 inches. It weighs around 800 pounds with the mount, and it's got 16 swinging flails or hammers that are reversible. So when you wear one side out after about 250 hours approximately, you can remove this nut. The head of the bolt is countersunk into this hex head, so all you have to do is remove the nut and push the bolt out, swing the flails around, and you'll get around twice the life. So that's the TLBE-SF 90. It has got a manual door on this machine. This is designed for mini excavators with one pair of auxiliary circuits. If you've got two auxiliary circuits, we can replace this manual linkage with a hydraulic cylinder, which allows you to raise and lower the front door, just like the mulcher will show you in a minute. This basically allows you to cut the top off a tree with the door up, and then you lower the door down and mulch all the way to the ground, and that helps control flying debris. That's important for safety if you're mulching around homes or roads or animals or people, obviously. So that's the TLBE-SF 90. Now a heavier duty mulcher is this one. This is the TLE-FS 70 that weighs around 990 pounds with the mount. So it's around 200 pounds heavier than this one, but it's not as wide. This one has a working width of around 28 inches. It's got 30 fixed teeth, as you see here, that are held in place with the bolt, as you can see, on a larger, heavier duty tube. It's a heavier duty machine. Everything about it is scaled up. So this one is going to mulch, depending on the flow. If you've got a machine that's got somewhere in the 20, at least 20, preferably 25 gallons per minute of flow range, that's auxiliary flow, not total flow, this machine, the 70, the TLE-FS 70, will easily mulch 6 to 7 to 8 inch material, greater material than that if you're slow or if it's hardwood. The TLBE-SF on the left, about 5 inches is what we rate this for. Again, if it's softwood and you're really slow, it'll mulch quite a bit bigger than that. So if you're wanting to mulch a lot of limbs, trees down to the ground, and it's larger material, this one is a better choice, the TLE-FS 70. It does have the hydraulic front door. It's not coupled up right now, but that again allows you to mulch the top off a tree, drop the door down to control flying debris. The TLE-FS 70 does require a K-strain because it's got a heavier duty Parker motor on it. The TLBE-SF does not require a K-strain, and that's going to save you $400 or $500 probably on hydraulic hoses and time hooking it up directly to the tank. So that's an advantage to the SF. The other advantage to the SF here is it's better in brush and it's better in grass. So if you got dense, thick grass, dense, heavy, moist, wet grass, this is a better choice. The mulchers like this are really designed for brush and trees and limbs, but they really don't mulch grass very well at all. I tell people it just wears grass away. So again, this machine is designed for around 20 to 25 gallons per minute of flow, which is really about the same as this one, but this one's going to mulch up to about 5 inch material with good productivity. This one's easily going to do 6 to 8 inches, again with good productivity, assuming you have enough flow. Again, you do ideally need at least a 10,000 pound mini excavator. It's on a KX040 here, which is actually pretty stable. If I lean on it, I can make it move, but the 40 is not a zero tail swing machine, so it's quite stable with a mulcher. So if you have any questions on Flail Mulchers or Flail mowers, please contact us at Needham Ag. Currently we've got plenty in stock and can ship them out pretty quick. Let us know. Thanks for watching.